This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, we're doing something that I absolutely love, and that is a cast and blast show. We're out at the Lodge of Chama, and first you're going to see me hunt a bull of a lifetime, and then my wife joins me and we get to do some small stream fishing. So stick around, this is going to be a cool show. Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles. You know, I've personally come to the Lodge of Chama for over the last 10 years, rethinking this, maybe 12 years. And, you know, being able to not only hunt but fish with Pat Carpenter and all the guides here, it's been an honor and it's been a privilege to be able to come out here and hunt on the Hickory Apache tribal land.
The fly fishing in this area is world class, but what Chama is really known for is their elk hunting. The Hickory Apache Nation, located in northern New Mexico, is a stronghold for elk, and I love hunting here in the fall. The guides at Chama are true professionals, and I look forward to another hunt with Pat Carpenter. Pat's guided me on some of the most exciting hunts of my life, and I don't think we'll ever be able to top those moments. And that's all right.
Gotta be kidding me. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thanks for being here with me. Jeez, oh, Wes.
When I don't think there's any possible way that you can outdo what you did last year, how do you do this?
You know, New Mexico has become one of my favorite states to hunt. The success that I've personally had here it has been humbling, but you know, Pat Carpenter has guided 3 generations. He's guided my father, which was a hunt of a lifetime, my daughter Lakin, and then recently we just got my other daughter Autumn out here. My first bull that I took out here was 355 inches, bull of a lifetime. My second hunt was a 394, and this time we're hunting even bigger bulls.
We hunted hard for a few days and saw some amazing action, but didn't see that mature bull we were after. On day 4, the clock was starting to tick in my head. Only 1 day left. The mountains had taken their toll on my body, but my mind conjures the image of a monster bull on the horizon, and that keeps me going. When you're feeling the misery, it makes it all the more exciting when that animal actually steps out. Sure enough, Pat found the bull we've been looking for.
Keep your eye on it.
I can't believe the size of this amazing creature. Definitely the biggest bull I've ever seen. In that moment, I realized this opportunity is fading fast. I have to capitalize now, so I take a breath and prepare to make an ethical shot.
You guys tell me when. When? Everybody ready?
I'm gonna go down right there.
What do you think, man? Dag, huh? That's a beast, isn't it? That's a beast.
Heck of a bull.
Yeah, that's crazy. We got up close encounter with him, right in our face. Couldn't get set up on him.
Well, you know, it's the rut, and these bulls you never know what they're gonna do, you know?
Right.
You never know what they're gonna do. Hey, good shooting.
Thank you, man.
That was a monster. That is a monster.
Oh my God.
Good job.
Look at this.
Congratulations, heck of a bull.
This one made us work for a little
A
bit.
little bit.
How many times have I said out here, this is my biggest bull ever.
Twice prior to this one.
This is the
Now
third
what,
time.
now what are you gonna say about this one?
I'm sure Frank's not going to say, how are you going to top that one? He's going to say, your top is at the top.
Good dang bull.
What place you guys got out here?
So the elk hunt was very successful. To turn this into a cast and blast show, we got to go now cast. So my wife joins me, and head guide Terry Tyner going to fish for some native brook trout and wild rainbows.
Oh, there he is. There you go. That's a great fish. You my man. You my man. You, Terry, that's awesome. Shelly, wait till you see how.
That's a brookie, I
That
think.
is a brook trout. That's our state fish in West Virginia right
there.
there.
You go. Beautiful. Nice size, too.
And they are actually a char, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Instead of a trout family, they're a char. Yeah.
You mean the ones here?
No,
Oh,
all brook trout.
brook trout.
Look at this guy. Wow.
Nice
Thank you, Terry.
Yep. That's a good fish.
That's a great brook trout. Nice. Thank you.
Catch another one.
Thank you, brother.
You know, one of my favorite parts of Fly Rod Chronicles is fishing with my family. This time I get to fish with my wife, Shelly. The enthusiasm that she has is over the top sometimes. And you know, there's a saying that never teach your wife how to golf or fish. Hire a guide or a golf instructor. Terry Tyner is one of the best, man. He's their lead fly fishing guide. And knowing that we come out on such a sacred stream and to be able to spend it with someone like Terry and my wife, that's what it's all about.
Okay, if you throw right down the middle, when it casts, your line's going to be over there. If you aim this way, it's going to fall in right over there. Most of the time.
Back. That's right.
There you go. Good. Right down the... Oh, pull, pull.
Atta girl. Atta. Oh, that's a good
There
fish.
you go.
That's a really good fish.
Oh my gosh.
Rod tip up. When you
Yeah,
get
get
the
your rod
chance.
tip up. Yeah.
Nice, Shelly.
Stay high
Nice.
on it.
That's a great fish.
It's a good fish. Good brookie. So we want to bring him. Oops. Oh, okay, he's over here. Oh, okay, he's still. Oh, another fish is going to hit it. No.
Did it get off?
No, he's stuck. He took you. Let me see.
So I've been fly fishing for many years. We've done the show for over 20 seasons, and I don't think I've ever seen this happen. Ever.
Give me a hand. Give me a hand. I got it. I got it. I'm not giving it to you until we get 10.
What?
I've never seen that before. I've never.
Let him take some line.
This is Jackson Hole review.
Go get the net. No, nothing.
We got
Okay, let a little more line out. Let him
Charlie,
take some
don't
line. Let him
drop-
take some line.
Don't drop the camera, Charlie.
Okay, let's
No,
get him.
that didn't just happen.
He's
No!
What? It was still on the whole time?
yes.
No way.
So how long you been guiding?
30 years?
You ever seen anything like that before?
Never.
Do you think you'll ever see anything like that before?
Probably
Again?
not.
That's called a West Virginia style.
The West Virginia style.
So that thing is locked in. You get down in there, loosen up, and you're like, the fish is on. And I'm like, Shelly, we got to keep tension on it. She comes over, and there's no tension, and she's like this, and the fish is trying to come through the eyelet. Stay tuned for more Fly Rod Chronicles right after this.
Go again. That's good, like that.
Nice.
No, you're good. Oh, get him! Oh, yeah!
Are you in the grass? Are you in the grass?
That's a better fish, too.
Nice, Shelly. Good hook set.
You're a pretty good fish, sir.
That's a great fish. Right at your feet.
Oh, he's got, okay. We're gonna get your rod up high. Get his head up. Get his head up.
Nice, nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's a good fish.
You want a picture? Okay. Oh, nice,
Nice.
Shelly. That's a good fish.
Ew.
Keep attention on it. Rod in the air on the hip. Atta girl. Atta girl.
Turn your rod. Remember I was telling you, if they get in there, turn it. Nice one.
Nice. That is a beautiful.
That is
Nice
a
one.
good one. Ooh, wow. Wow. Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
baby.
good one?
Yeah, he's a good one for him. He come up and exploded on that. See him, Charlie? Yeah,
You got nice spots on them.
that's a beautiful fish.
Very nice spots.
Yeah. Oh, man! Charlie, did you get that?
Too far, yeah.
That was so cool.
Oh, that's a nice fish, too.
He's wide. I mean, really wide. He came up out of the water. It's a good
Pretty good fish.
Really good fish.
Yeah.
That is a good fish. We may be going down. Big brook.
Rookie.
All colors.
See the colors?
Look at the. Wait till you see the
See
head.
that? The colors.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yes. Yes.
Nice fish.
Wait. So to get a picture, I'm gonna back up a little bit. So what we'll do, take a break, come back for more Fly Rod Chronicles.
it's a big
Oh,
fish.
it's a big fish. Jeez, that's a big fish.
Oh, did he come out? Oh, that's a rainbow. You had him for a sec, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. Keep attention on him and hope. So
He struck at it 3 times.
I know.
You know, after missing a big fish like that, Terry had to remind me that it's not over until it's over. So we made one little fly change and we came back after that big rainbow.
That was him.
No.
That was him. Yes. Did you see him, Charlie? Did you see the big one?
Oh my gosh! Holy! Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
Okay, I'm gonna get in.
You gotta be kidding me! In this size stream! Oh, we're going for a ride, brother.
Yeah,
You got to be kidding
that's
me,
him.
Terry. Terry made one fly change.
Did I get spotter credit?
Yes. Yes, you get spotter credit, wife credit, if you land it.
How big is he?
Man, 15? Maybe bigger?
I'd say a little bigger. Maybe, I don't know. He looks big in the water. Long winter. Ooh, yeah, he's
Shelly,
bigger than
look at-
15.
Maybe a little bigger, 15.
Yeah, he's bigger than 15. Okay, Curtis, we'll
Yep.
get his head up.
Yep. Let me give him just a second.
Yeah.
My man, Terry! Woo-hoo-hoo! Terry! Yeah, I'll take my 15 back.
Yeah.
Come check this guy out. Let me see your hand, babe. Solid hand.
Okay, you're clear.
Look at this fish. Come on, Shelly. Look at it. Look at what? Look at the girth on that thing.
Good fish.
Turning that way and off. Okay. Yeah. So Terry, you made one change. We saw that fish. Shelly spotted it earlier.
She did.
Yeah. And we came up here, threw it dry a couple times, think we might have spooked it, right?
Probably.
Yeah. We leave, and then we come back. But Shelly spotted again?
I believe so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Saw it.
And your fly change was what?
We went to a bead-headed salvation nymph.
Yep.
Off the dropper,
Off-
topper dropper.
Yep. And the first one I blow, I lose it.
He did blow.
Yeah, I did. Yep. And it came back for the second one.
And hammered it.
A fish that big in a stream like this. And this is something in the package you guys offer. 'Cause
Oh, yeah.
You're known for high mountain lakes, big fish.
Right. But
But
again, little creek like this, big fish like that, 17, 18-inch rainbow, beautiful, fat, made it through the winter.
yeah.
Incredible.
Yep. You're the man. You're the man. And perfect cast and blast show out here in northern New Mexico at Lodge of Chama.
Lodge of Chama, East Fork of the Brazos.
How cool is that?
I'm just a fishing bum.